What is going on, guys? It is Fitz back here with another video. Tonight we're out at the 336 legal swing meet. All right, this is not your local drift event. This is your local show. Let's get right into tonight's video. Okay, let's go. It is still very earlier in the night. Like I said, we got here pretty early. The whole event is still filling up. It's gonna get rowdier the later it gets. Hey, we got the motherfucking van. Watch out, bro. First fat burnout of the night. I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10. Let's see where we get. Oh, she getting jiggy with it. Get in there. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie. I can only see so many donuts, you know? So I'm just gonna assume y'all are thinking the same.
Hey, listen. All right, so January, February, y'all see that? Y'all see this car right here? The gray E36, right here. Come on, everybody come down here and look right quick. I need everybody to come look, because some of y'all might be interested. Hey, you with the Mustang, do whatever you was doing.
Y'all hear that? That fucking EcoBoost is fighting for its life, dog. One of God's many motors, the 1UZ in the LS. Looks like stock suspension, so I'm a little scared, but we're gonna see the boat trying to swim. Two-step competition at 8. Let's hope this LS can swing a little bit better than the last one. Y'all see that? Better. Y'all heard the man a couple minutes ago. If you're trying to win an E36, pull up to the event, get yourself a raffle ticket. E36 will be my desired slide car, so who knows, man? Fuck it, might buy a ticket myself. Next up, it's either Turbo KA or it's an SR car.
Boost is non-existent. That intercooler gone, bro.
Y'all are gonna hate me. 36 caught on fire and I missed it. I don't know what happened. And we got 21 going at the same time. We got an SC with the sussy lights. They are on. He is ready to slide.
I'm sorry.
Are y'all gonna hate me when I end up doing that? I'm not gonna be that crazy with it. It's a little different out here, but damn, 18,000 never sounded so good, so pure, man. 336 is for the people, man. Y'all see the fucking heaters out here? They weren't there last time, but I guess it wasn't cold enough. How much y'all want to bet this VQ ends up in a tire? I put $1 on it. Hey, listen, man, I understand everybody's got to start somewhere. I just didn't think everybody was starting tonight. I just know that fucking subframe on the E46 was fighting for its life.
We got a Rari, man. This is for you. And Jay, man. All the Raris.
Yo, what do I gotta do to get somebody to pass me the sticks, man? Somebody pass me the sticks. You know it's about to get fucking serious when we got the AirPods in, man. We are just sucking down exhaust fumes, man. try the local dining. So we're official. Right now we got the fucking media badge. Big shout out to Justin. We better do a motherfucking food review. Fitz's food reviews. We got wet dog food cheese fries. No, chili cheese fries. They look good as fuck. Let's get in there. You ready? Certified gas. So we are here with Mike and motherfucking Soldier. But listen, man, Mike has an amazing plan. And yo, tell him what you're getting ready to do. What do you drive first of all? What do you drive?
I drive a red and blue Lexus two-tone. Okay. IS 250 rear-wheel drive. I'm gonna go out there, act like something's wrong, and get my girl out the car and then propose to her.
Bro's gonna propose in the 3C6 meets, bro, in the pit. She's like, hey, fingers crossed for you, man. How do you feel about it? You feel safe?
Yeah.
Ready's coming? All right, man. All right, well, we're getting ready to watch this shit happen live. We're gonna keep an eye on, man. Let's get it. Congratulations in advance, bro. Hell yeah. Somebody done brought their mom's E-Class out here, man. Let's see.
If you blow your tires, it's a tax write-off. Don't worry about it.
Bruh, what in the world is going on? They are 12 deep in the minivan and they just blew a tire. Oh my God.
All right, well, that's it for the video.
He still gotta make it home. Man, that shit's fat, dog. That is fat.
legal meets video, a couple accidents, and one proposal later. This is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to share this. If you see somebody you know, if you saw something you liked or didn't like, please be sure to share it. This has been Fitz Miller, back here with another video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. MoonstruckAutoBoutique.com for stickers. Go get you some merch. And then weeknights, 9 p.m. on Twitch. Join me. Come hang out. See y'all there. Something about a truck.